trying to get this up on my laptop so I can share it out to our Chalky Gals Club. Yay, there we go. And share. I don't know why I always get confused. Hi, I see we have one person on. Oh, maybe it's me that's on because I'm signed in here. Okay, there we go. Chalky Gals Club. Done. All right. Let me get situated here. I feel weird. I'm sitting a lot lower than I normally do, but that's the only way I can get my old self in the video. Oops. And still be able to see this. Let's see. Do I need to tilt this down just a little smidge there? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So it cuts off my forehead, but it could be worse. So I'm going to wear my apron that I made last night, or that I inked last night. And I thought that would be cool. Hi, Jerry. And I'm working on a bag tonight that I'm not sure how it's going to ink up. So this could be a huge success or an absolute failure, but we're going to experience it together. I can't stand that my head's cut off. Okay, so I'm using, oh, hey, I'm Jana, that Chalky Gal. Thanks for being here. And as you come in, maybe comment with where you're signing in from. So anyhow, I'm going to use a transfer that is no longer available. I don't normally do that on a live, but I have had this transfer for, I don't know, a year and a half, 2 years. I don't even know when it was in, but it's the Country Girl. And I've been wanting to put it on a t-shirt, and I just haven't. But I found this bag here, and I'm going to do it on that. It's canvas. It's sort of heavy duty, and I've already stuck a piece of cardstock in between here. You can use parchment paper or whatever just to keep it from bleeding through in case it does. Like it sort of did with this, but it bled through onto my mat and it didn't hurt anything. But I'm going to put my inking mat underneath here. And I am doing something different than tonight, in that I have mixed some colors together to make my own color of ink. And well, it just sort of blends in with this, doesn't it? Can't tell where it starts or where it stops. And so let's just get this opened up. This will be a quickie tonight. And while I'm doing this, and because I normally forget to ask this, but if you're not already following me on Facebook at That Chalky Gal, or on Instagram, please, I would really appreciate it if you did that. Hey, Nancy. Okay. So Nancy, I'm using I've got ink on this somehow. I don't know where I got it from. That's not a good sign. I hope I didn't get it. So anyhow, you may recognize this one, Nancy. You've been here a while, and Jerry, you as well. Just write Country Gal on the back of this. And I think that I got this bag at, okay, I see where I'm getting it from. It's on that pin. Just a second here. You always want to start with clean hands, by the way, because the ink is not like our chalk. Our chalk paste, when you're on most projects, it's easily removed. The ink is more of a permanent type of thing. Even before it's heat set, it's sort of permanent. So let me get all of it off of me. And I'm hoping that there's not, I didn't get some someplace else. Looks like I got some on my thingy here. Maybe not. Okay. Whew. So, all right. I am going to feel to make sure where I've got that piece of cardstock in there to make sure I'm in that area, because it doesn't fill in the entire center. So what's everybody doing tonight? And you notice that I did not fuzz this yet, or at all. I'm not going to, because I am working on the fabric, and I want this to grab. Oh wow! Oh no, that's crooked. You see, I got it right the first time. Relaxing. That sounds good. I did that this afternoon. Caught up on a few minor things that I wanted to do that were not really work, but just stuff that I wanted to do. And I enjoyed that. All right, so just want to make sure it's down all the way, and I see that it's not. So, ooh, this is feeling a little different. So this may be a total something. Okay, so what I did is I took some white ink and some silver shimmer. What's it called? I can't turn it upside down. And I just mix it up there. I don't know if you can tell. This may not be enough ink, but I'm still going to try. So, somehow this just doesn't feel right down. I don't know. Maybe I should have ironed the bag before I put it down, because it's feeling kind of weird. Oh well, if I totally mess this up, you'll know what not to do. Hi, whoever's just jumping on. Just had to show a piece of strawberry pie. Are you able to show it? I don't think you can show it on here. Can you? On the live? The strawberry pie sounds yummy, 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 yummy. All right, I always start at the top and work my way down. And with inking, you want to go one direction. And I'm having problems. There we go. I'm having problems getting to the very end here. Can y'all hear me okay? So I think this is going to be nice. I didn't think gray would show up. I originally wanted to do some pink, but I just wasn't sure how that was going to do on the black. Okay, I'm not getting this. Oh, good. Thank you, Jerry. Today is, what is today's date? It is the 28th. We have just a couple of days left on our Transfer Palooza. If you haven't heard about that, that is where you can purchase 2 transfers and your third one is free. And it's this. Now what I did is I always, like if I wanted 3 C-size transfers, I got 3 C-size, so I got one of the C-size. Say that 3 times real fast. But like if I were to get a C, an A, and a B, I would get an A transfer free, because that would be the least expensive of them. I'm sorry, I've got an itch on my nose. Sorry, that was sort of rude, but I needed to fix that. I don't know if I have a fuzzy that's flying or what. All right. Nothing like live video to have to do something that's embarrassing in front of everybody, huh? That's right. I try to tell the new people on my team that maybe are a little timid about going live. I always tell them it's like we all make mistakes, and you know what? And we're all human, and tomorrow's another day. So anyhow, that Transfer Palooza is awesome, and if you're a designer, not only do you get that third one free, but you get them all at your designer cost, which designers get a 40% discount on their purchases, which I absolutely love. And I know a lot of us have joined just so we can get that discount. I'll be coming up on my 4th year here in July. I'm pretty excited about that. And I have thoroughly enjoyed all of it. All right, I'm going to try to do the peel and reveal, and I have the feeling I may have had some, what do you call it, some leakage, some getting underneath the transfer, so we'll see. Cross your fingers for me, please. So far, so good. Doesn't look like I missed too many spots here. Oh, please, please, is it going to be? Yay! It turned out just fine. Now, I see something I want to try to, oh, there's something I can do it with. I'm just going to set this over here. But I see a little spot, and I don't know if that is ink or if it's something else, but I'm going to try to get it up right on here. Now, what I like to do, well, I think it's a good practice, is to dry this right away before I heat set it, and I probably will not heat set this until tomorrow. And you can use an iron, you can use, I have an easy press, and I have a professional really large heat press, but my Cricut heat press is just perfect for this. But before I had that, I used an iron, and it makes it permanent on here, just easy peasy. And what's cool about this is if you like to make t-shirts and such to sell, I like this over having to cut out vinyl, heat press vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, that's what it's called. Yeah, I started out with my crafting stuff with all the machines, all the different machines, and then I moved up to a big plotter. And I tell you, I spent more time in the designing, and then the other big thing was to do all the weeding of everything before I could iron it on. And I just really got tired of the weeding. So these silkscreen transfers are reusable, and I can get, if I take good care of them, I've never thrown one away. So, but I would say 10 to 12 times is what the company says, but I know there are a lot of us that have gotten a lot more than just the 10 to 12. I'm sticking to my math there. So this heating tool here looks like an embosser, but it's not. It doesn't get as hot as an embosser does, and it's so handy. It's lightweight, and I started second guessing it when it first came out. I thought, well, I don't really need one of those, but I tell you what, I have not regretted purchasing one. So that is going to be good enough to let it dry overnight. So if you'd like to learn more information about Chalk Couture and our ink, put ink in the comments, please. Or if you'd like to know more about becoming a designer, put join in the comments. That doesn't mean that you're saying you're going to join. It's just letting me know that you might like some information about it. We're pretty low key. So anyhow, I appreciate you stopping by and taking the time to hang out with me a little bit here, and hope to see you later on. Y'all take care. Bye.